Today I'm going to show you how to upload assignments and how to turn assignments in on Google Classroom. So I'm going to go to classroom.google.com, and when you first go, it might ask you to log in. After you've logged in, you should click on the class that you're working on. So I will click on Miss Johnson's class. When I first get into the class, it's going to show me the stream, but I want to go to the classwork tab where I can see all of my assignments. So this year we'll have a lot of assignments and a lot of things that need to be turned in on Google Classroom, and you'll find those in the classwork tab. When I'm in the classwork tab, I can scroll and find some of the different assignments, including when they are due, which is right here on the right side. Let's take a look at what happens when I click on one of my assignments. So we'll click on Our Class Expectations, which is right here. I can see that there's a drop-down menu, and I want to click on View Assignment so I can get a little bit more information. Okay, so when I click on View Assignment, I can see that there's some directions. It's telling me that I should click here and work on this activity. When I'm all done with this activity, and I want to show my teacher that I'm finished, I can come over here to this button and click Mark as Done. That's the same thing, that's like saying that you're done. It's the same thing as turning in your assignment to your teacher. Depending on the activity, sometimes it will say Mark as Done, sometimes it will say Turn In, and that tells your teacher that you're finished and you're ready for them to grade your assignment. So don't click this button until you're all done. Let's say that you're working on an assignment and you wanted to add something to it. For example, let's pretend that you wrote a story and you wanted to turn it in and show your teacher. You would click this button here that says Add or Create. When I click Add or Create, it will bring another drop-down menu. You may have to work with an adult to help you if you want to add something and show it to your teacher. When you click Add or Create, you can add links to different files, or you can create a new document. So if you wrote a story, maybe you could ask an adult to help you take a picture of it and send it to the computer via email, where they could save it and then add that file here. Then you can turn it in and I would be able to see what story you wrote. Add or Create might require a little bit more assistance from an adult to help you make sure that you're including the assignments that you'd like to include. You could also create a brand new document where you could write anything that you want as long as it's related to the assignment. In most cases, you might not need to add something, but sometimes you might want to, or it might be part of the assignment, and this is the button that you would click right here.